Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Preview for Tuesday, the 8th of December, 2015. Hope you're having a good week. Hanukkah has started. I feel like the market was a little slow today because of it. NASDAQ volume closed at 1.7 billion, and we didn't do much in the end. Let's take a look. Here's the ES front month futures contract daily chart. You can see basically spent most of the day inside of Friday's range. Didn't make any new ground in any direction at all. So let's take a look. The cash S&P lost 14.62. I'll show you the gap it left behind for a couple points to Friday's close. NDX lost 22.50. Obviously a rebound from or a slowdown after Friday's rebound. Here's the SOX lost 6. That's nothing. Biotech's lost 75, giving back the gains from Friday. We had the VIX up 1.03 to 1584. Trend closed at 1.10. Very near the current 10-day moving average. Crude oil, down $2.32 to a new all-time closing low, all-time meaning years ago, $37.65 heading into Christmas. Boy, that is quite a story right there. I'll tell you what. Gold down $11.20, but off the lows after Friday's bounce. Here's the NASDAQ volume. Like I said, 1.7 and change billion shares. A little bit better than Friday, but not as good as what we saw Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of last week. Hopefully we'll see that again this Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ, almost negative 1,600, one of the lowest we've seen in a long time. Advanced decline ratio on the New York, negative 1,869. That's really negative. Bad breadth in the market. Google down 622. Not the end of the world compared to what everything else did. Apple down 75 cents. It doesn't seem to move anymore. Amazon down $2.81. That doesn't do much there. Netflix swept new highs, and then when the market rolled, down 5.57 points. All right. Let's take a look at the ES front month futures contract. We're going to switch this back to 5-minute candles and take a look. So you can see there was a small gap down at the start of the day. We never filled that. Basically headed lower for the first hour and a half, and it was just a stair step, what I call stair step, meaning it wasn't any big push, wasn't a lot of major momentum or excitement. We just kind of kept going, stayed right under that 10-period EMA. Once we were starting to head to lunch, kind of flattened out, and we stayed right there for the next 4 hours, 3 hours, call it. Even after lunch, did not really come back and rally right away. And then in the last 30 minutes, finally got a bounce that took us back up just above the VWAP midpoint. So what do we look forward to now? Hopefully, like I said, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the better trading days of the week like we saw last week. This is not options expiration, so we don't have to worry about that, although the contracts, this is going to be a triple expiration, so the contract's going to roll on Friday. Friday's going to be real slow here. Just be prepared for that. Tuesday, all we've got are the JOLTS job openings 30 minutes in, and then we'll talk about Wednesday after we get through Tuesday, but hopefully still better than what we saw here to start the week, and see how much Hanukkah starts to play into this in terms of the doldrums. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not taken the trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks, and we'll be in the trading lab. Have a great trading week.